My dear students, right in front of you, you can see the format of article writing. Now, just have a glance, just go through. Hope you have read. Now see, the format is not a big deal here. It's very simple, keeping it very simple. This is how you should be writing your, article writing. You should go about article writing. Now, as I had in the beginning of article writing session, I had been telling you that the title, it should be a catchy one. Catchy as in which grabs your attention. Got it? It should be very interesting. The minute a person, has a glimpse of the title, he or she should be, attracted to it. The person should feel, interested to go through. That curiosity has to be there. So this title, catchy title, becomes one of the most important part of your article writing. It should not be something which is very common. Try to, think out of the box and put it over there. So, for example, if we, article writing is what? It is all about, maybe taking up an issue of concern, a matter of concern, and you want the entire society to know about it. So we raise up such issues in the article writing. For example, now if we talk about dowry, so can you relate something with dowry? What say, for example, if I ask you to have an go for an article writing on dowry, how would you start? Think. How would you start? Catchy title. As far as dowry is concerned, maybe something like, I think I have already told you, maybe something like, blazing truth, blazing trouble, blazing, hope you know the meaning of blazing. Many females, many girls who got married and they are killed, because of dowry, since they could not live up to the expectation of the in-laws, the girls, they lose their lives. How do they lose their lives? Many times you have come across such events. Of course, it's in newspaper, even in your television you can see, and now the media is so very strong, you can definitely watch. There are so many platforms on which you see all these things. So, blazing. Got my point? Yes, that is it. So, blazing truth. Maybe one, suppose, maybe you are the reader and I have written, all right. Now, when you are going through the magazine or the newspaper and you come across such an article wherein you get to see, you just have a glimpse of the title, and what do you see? What do you find? You see, oh my God, what is this? Blazing truth? Blazing. Immediately, you get connected to one point, some point at the back of your mind. It will definitely be there that, is it a dowry? Is it something? Is it some very undeniable truth kind of thing that is happening in the society? So, in that case, what happens under such situations and circumstances? What happens? You will feel curious to know what has been written in the article. You would be curious. That curiosity has to be there. And how will I ever create curiosity? People whom I don't even know, people who are the readers of that magazine or the newspaper, I have no idea who they are. But through the power of my writing, I can grab your attention. And how am I, how should I make you go through my article through and through? How is it? Am I going to announce, like, ladies and gentlemen, please come by and please read my article? Will I do that? No, not at all. Isn't it? It's funny. We won't do that. But one thing we can do is in such a thing where you have actually taken so much pain to write down something to make the society aware of the blazing truth, or maybe whatever, whatever problems we have in the society, you want to bring it. You want to show it to the society. Definitely you want your article to be read by so many people, maybe thousands and thousands of people. How? You won't make any announcement? Yes, you can do one thing, and that is your title. Your title should grab the attention of all, so that everybody feels a kind of compulsion will be there, that what has the person written exactly? What does the person want to convey? So that curiosity has to be increased in the mind of the readers. And if your article possesses this catchy title, take it in writing. Half the battle is won. The reader has to go through your writing, whatever you have written. So that is very, very, very important. Over with it. Now, coming to the next line is byline. Now, what am I supposed to write in byline? Nothing. Your name. But yes, as a student, you have to be a little careful, because many a times the name of the person who is writing the article is provided in the question. So take care of that. So whatever, say maybe, Sonakshi, maybe written by Sonakshi. So here you need to write Sonakshi. Catchy title, whatever the title says, for example, Blazing Truth, Sonakshi. Two names would be given, one for boys and one for girls. So when you are done with these two parts, what do you have to keep in mind? Immediately after that, when you come down to this line, leave one line. That is the format. So please, children, do not lose on this. All right. Now, we have, after leaving a line, let us come to the paragraphs. Now, as I have already told you, that article writing has mainly 3 paragraphs. All right. So, the first paragraph, which I have already mentioned, is also known as introductory paragraph. So, see to it that you do not exceed more than 6 to 7 lines. Unnecessary, do not drag it, because you will be writing your exam. Time limitation is very important there. So, do not waste much of your time over there. So, limit your introductory paragraph to 6 to 7 lines. That's it. Immediately after that, leave a line once again. All right. So, if you don't leave a line, children, definitely half a mark, or as it's decided by the board, that part would be deducted. So, be very careful. Don't lose those marks. Half a mark is also very, very important. So, after finishing of your introductory paragraph, you will be leaving a line and take up the second paragraph, which we actually call exposition of the topic. Now, this being little bigger in the sense that this paragraph, it won't be of 6 to 7 lines, rather it will be double of it. Okay, it will be 12 to 14 lines. And remember the points which I have just explained before this, remember what you all have to write over there. So, once you complete writing the exposition of the topic, that is, when you finish off with the this one, 12 to 14 lines, second paragraph, when you are done with the second paragraph, again you are advised to leave one line. And then you come to the final ground, that is a third paragraph, and this is winding up and concluding. All right. So, again, stick to 6 to 7 lines. So, in totality, we say that the introductory paragraph here and winding up and concluding this paragraph, the first and the third paragraph, should not exceed more than 6 to 7 lines. And the second paragraph being the most important part where you are dealing with everything, that has to be definitely double the thing, that is 12 to 14 lines. And this is how you finish your article writing. Hope this clears up all your doubts. So always remember, writing section, children, format, format, format. Each format, drink format, dream format. So format has to be there. So funny, right? So this is the entire concept of article writing. So once you are done with this, you follow those things which I have dealt with you some time back. And then if you follow the format, you are done with it. So I guess everybody has understood. Just go through the examples. There are many are there. Just see that the examples that you are, going through should have all these points that I have written here. Now, I think things are pretty clear now. Meet you in the next video with some other topic. Bye-bye. Take care.